Welcome to Tech Talk Simplified, the podcast where we decode how low-code technology is transforming industries across the globe. I'm Sundara Rajan, your host for today.
And I'm Revati. In this episode, we're diving deep into a topic that's very close to the education sector: how schools, colleges, and training centers can use Zoho Creator to build their very own ERP systems. From admissions to attendance, from online learning to fee tracking, all under one roof. No more patchwork tools, no more messy spreadsheets, just one unified digital ecosystem.
Let's begin with the reality many institutions face today. Operations are fragmented, data is scattered, and processes are more manual than digital.
Exactly. Think about this: admissions handled via Google Forms, attendance on a biometric device or even paper, fee receipts maintained in Excel, timetables shared over WhatsApp, learning materials sitting on Google Drive or a third-party LMS. None of these systems talk to each other.
And that creates multiple problems. Staff spend countless hours reconciling data. Parents don't get real-time updates. Students feel lost between platforms. And management struggles to scale when the student base grows beyond a few hundred.
We're talking about wasted time, stressed administrators, and a bottleneck in delivering quality education.
Now let's talk solutions. The big question is, how do we take all these scattered systems and unify them into a single ecosystem? This is where Zoho Creator comes in. It's not just an app builder, it's an entire low-code ERP platform. Institutions can design their own digital backbone, customized for their operations, without having to hire a huge IT team.
And the best part, you don't need to throw away what you already have. Zoho Creator can integrate with existing systems, whether that's biometric devices for attendance, Google Workspace for files, or payment gateways like Razorpay or Paytm for fees. So instead of replacing everything, you create one central hub where all your data lives and every department is connected. Let's start with enrollment, the gateway to every institution. Traditionally, it's a nightmare of forms, paperwork, and follow-ups. With Zoho Creator, that becomes seamless. Students fill out an online application form with attachments for documents. Documents are digitally verified by the admin team. Statuses like pending review, shortlisted, or approved are automatically updated. Parents get instant notifications via email or SMS. If application fees are required, they can be paid right there, integrated with the portal.
And it doesn't stop there. Once the student is admitted, a unique student ID is generated. The student is automatically assigned to a batch, grade, or program. Their academic calendar gets created with holidays and exam schedules. Credentials for the student portal are issued instantly. Think about the hours saved. No duplicate data entry, no missed communication, and every new student starts their journey on the right note. Now, let's move to timetabling, which for many schools is one of the most stressful tasks.
Absolutely. With Creator, institutions can assign subjects to teachers while checking workload balance, auto-detect scheduling conflicts. For example, if a teacher is double booked, publish timetables digitally so students and faculty can see them from anywhere. Even manage substitutions if a teacher calls in sick and notify students instantly.
Imagine not having to print weekly timetables or send 20 WhatsApp messages whenever a class changes. Everything is updated in real time.
Attendance is another area where institutions waste time daily. Creator makes it flexible. Integrate with biometric devices for automated logs. Use QR codes that students scan when they enter class. Or simply allow teachers to mark attendance via the mobile app.
And here's where automation shines. If a student is absent, a message goes out to their parent within minutes. No manual calls needed. At the end of the month, attendance reports are generated for teachers and compliance without spending hours reconciling registers. Let's talk about the classroom itself. Many institutions are shifting to hybrid or digital first learning. Zoho Creator adapts perfectly.
Teachers can upload lecture notes, presentations, or recorded videos. Assignments with submission deadlines. Quizzes and MCQ tests that are auto-graded. Students can submit homework directly online, view grades and teacher feedback instantly, track progress through a performance dashboard.
Parents too can log in to see how their child is doing, grades, attendance, assignments, everything in one place. No more chasing teachers during PTMS.
Now, let's get into the most sensitive part: finances. Traditionally, fees are tracked on Excel sheets, receipts are printed manually, and defaulter lists are prepared at month end.
With Creator, that entire cycle is automated. Institutions set customized fee plans based on grade, course, or payment cycle. As soon as a student enrolls, the system generates their fee schedule. Payment reminders are sent automatically via SMS, WhatsApp, or email. Receipts are auto-generated and sent digitally.
And the management can log into a dashboard to instantly see total collections today, outstanding dues, defaulters by batch trends, compared month over month. That's real-time visibility, which is usually impossible in traditional setups.
Beyond the student life cycle, Zoho Creator helps with internal administration too.
For example, HR can manage faculty recruitment, payroll, and leave requests inside the same platform. The library can track book borrowing and returns. The transport team can monitor buses with GPS integrations. Even events like annual day or exams can be scheduled with approval workflows.
And since Creator integrates with Zoho Books, Zoho Sign, Zoho CRM, or even third-party apps like Microsoft Teams, nothing is left siloed.
So to sum up, segment 2, Zoho. Creator allows you to build a complete ERP tailored to your institution, not just for admissions or fees, but covering every department: academics, administration, finance, HR, library, transport, and even alumni management.
And because it's low code, you can start small, maybe with enrollment or fees, and then expand gradually, module by module, as your institution grows. Now that we've understood the building blocks of Zoho Creator, let's bring this closer to reality. One of the best ways to see the power of a platform is by looking at real-world applications. After all, theory is one thing, but when we see businesses transform operations, it really clicks.
Exactly. And Zoho Creator has been adopted across industries: education, healthcare, retail, manufacturing, logistics, and even niche service sectors. What's fascinating is that the same platform adapts so well to different business models. Let's start with education management, since it's a theme close to our discussion today.
In schools and universities, Zoho Creator has been used to centralize attendance tracking, student performance analytics, fee collection, and even parent-teacher communication. For example, instead of juggling multiple Excel sheets and WhatsApp groups, schools can build a unified student portal in Creator, where everything is digitized. Parents get instant updates on their child's progress, students have their schedules accessible in one place, and administrators can generate compliance-ready reports with a few clicks.
And the best part? It's not just restricted to large institutions. Smaller academies, like coaching centers or vocational training institutes, are also using Creator to handle admissions, automate batch scheduling, and send reminders to students. The affordability and scalability of Creator make it possible for even a local tuition center to run like a top-tier educational institute.
That's true. Let's move outside of education. Take healthcare as another example. Hospitals and clinics are using Zoho Creator to manage patient records, appointment bookings, and even inventory for medicines. In one case, a mid-sized hospital in Southeast Asia used Creator to build a COVID vaccination tracking system. Within just a few weeks, it helped them monitor who received which dose, generate QR-coded certificates, and alert patients when their next dose was due.
Exactly. And when you step into logistics, the transformation is equally striking. Logistics companies often struggle with shipment tracking, fleet management, and real-time updates to clients. With Zoho Creator, they've been able to build apps that integrate GPS data, automatically generate delivery notes, and even allow clients to log in and track their shipments live. That kind of transparency builds trust and saves so much back and forth communication.
Let me add a case from manufacturing. A small-scale manufacturing unit in India replaced its paper-based quality checks with a Zoho Creator app. Every time a product batch was ready, workers logged quality metrics directly into a tablet app. Management could then see dashboards showing defect trends, machine performance, and operator efficiency. Within 6 months, they reduced rework by almost 30%. Wow, that's a direct impact on cost and customer satisfaction.
That's a solid example. And don't forget non-profits and NGOs. Many NGOs operate with tight budgets and need maximum efficiency. With Zoho Creator, they've built donor management systems, volunteer scheduling apps, and project impact dashboards. Instead of spending money on expensive ERPs, they channel more funds toward the causes they support, while still maintaining operational excellence.
What's emerging across these stories is a common thread: adaptability. Whether it's a school in India, a hospital in Singapore, or a factory in Germany, Zoho Creator bends to their needs without requiring months of development or millions of dollars in IT spending.
And that adaptability is backed by scalability. A solution you build for 100 students can grow to handle 10,000 without needing a rebuild. A small retailer tracking a few dozen orders can expand into an e-commerce brand managing thousands of transactions, and the same Creator app can evolve with them.
It also democratizes technology. Traditionally, custom applications required IT specialists, but with Creator, even a school administrator or a project manager, people with no coding background, can start building. Of course, when the use case gets complex, developers can step in to add custom logic. This balance between no code and low code ensures inclusivity without compromising capability.
And that's why we're seeing adoption not only among small and medium enterprises, but also in enterprises. Large corporations are now using Creator as a satellite system alongside their main ERP or CRM. It fills the gaps, those unique workflows that the bigger systems can't handle. Instead of forcing everyone into rigid software, companies can customize Creator apps to fit their real-world processes.
If I were to summarize this segment, Zoho Creator is not just a tool, it's a canvas. Each business paints its own picture. Whether that's student engagement, patient care, logistics transparency, or manufacturing quality.
Exactly. And these real-world stories highlight how businesses, regardless of size or industry, are unlocking new levels of efficiency and innovation.
We've seen how Zoho Creator is changing things today. But what about tomorrow? Where is all this headed, especially for education and other industries?
That's a critical question. The low-code movement is not a passing trend. It's a fundamental shift in how organizations build and adapt technology. In education, the future is leaning towards hyper-personalization. Imagine schools using Zoho Creator to design apps where every student gets a personalized learning path, assignments, resources, and even tests adapted to their pace and strengths.
That ties in beautifully with the rise of AI-powered learning companions. With Zoho Creator integrating Zia and other AI tools, we might see applications that analyze student performance in real time and recommend corrective measures instantly. Instead of waiting for a parent-teacher meeting, a parent could log in and see where their child is struggling and what resources could help.
Exactly. And let's not stop with education. In healthcare, the future with low code is about predictive patient care. Imagine apps that don't just store records but also forecast health risks using AI models. A simple Creator app could integrate with wearable devices, Fitbits, smartwatches, and alert doctors if a patient's vitals indicate potential issues.
That's powerful. In manufacturing and logistics, low code is enabling real-time digital twins. We're talking about apps that don't just record data but mirror physical processes in real time. A factory supervisor could see machine health, production rates, and even simulate what-if scenarios before making costly decisions, all on a Zoho Creator dashboard.
And the evolution doesn't stop at industries. On a broader scale, low-code platforms will be a cornerstone of citizen development. In the coming years, we'll see teachers, doctors, social workers, and entrepreneurs building their own apps without depending on IT departments. That empowerment is going to unlock innovation in ways we can't even imagine today.
Another key point is integration with emerging technologies. Low-code apps in the near future will interact with AR/VR for immersive classrooms, IoT for smart campuses, and blockchain for secure certification. Think about issuing tamper-proof digital diplomas on blockchain through a Creator app. Students could share them worldwide with just a QR code.
Yes, and this democratization of technology will also bridge the gap between developed and developing countries. Institutions with limited resources won't be left behind. They can leapfrog straight into digital transformation using low-code platforms instead of investing millions in legacy systems.
So the future is really about access, adaptability, and acceleration. Low code isn't just about faster development, it's about opening doors for everyone to innovate.
And in education, this means more inclusive, responsive, and resilient systems. Exactly what's needed in our rapidly changing world.
We've covered a lot of ground today, from the basics of Zoho Creator to real world case studies to imagining its role in the future of education and beyond. It's clear that low code is not just a tool, it's a mindset shift.
That's right. If there's one big takeaway for our listeners, it's this: technology doesn't have to be intimidating anymore. Platforms like Zoho Creator make it possible for educators, business leaders, and even individuals with no technical background to bring their ideas to life.
And it's not about replacing developers, it's about amplifying them. Low code empowers non technical people to build solutions while giving their developers a head start so they can focus on the really complex challenges. It's collaboration at its best.
To bring it back to education, a principal doesn't have to wait for months to get an app developed for fee tracking. A teacher doesn't have to wait for an IT department to build a quiz app. They can take charge, experiment, and implement solutions in real time. That level of independence is truly revolutionary.
And for industries outside education, the message is the same. Don't let the size of your organization stop you from innovating. Whether you're a startup or an established enterprise, Zoho Creator can adapt to your scale and needs.
I'd like to close with a thought. In the 20th century, literacy meant being able to read and write. In the 21st century, digital literacy is just as important. And with low code, we're expanding the definition even further. We're saying anyone should be able to create technology, not just consume it.
Beautifully put. So, to all our listeners, whether you're an educator, an entrepreneur, or just curious about tech, start exploring low code. Start small. Build something. You'll be surprised how much impact you can create.
And on that note, thank you for joining us in this deep dive on Zoho Creator and the future of low code. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and keep reimagining what's possible.
Before we sign off completely, let's not just stop at insights. We want to make sure our listeners walk away with clear next steps. Because knowledge is most powerful when you actually act on it.
Exactly. If you're listening today and you've been inspired by what Zoho Creator and low code can do, here's what you can try right now. Head over to Zoho Creator's website and sign up for a free trial. Even if you've never written a single line of code, you can drag and drop fields to build your first form, publish your first workflow, and see the results instantly.
And if you're in education, whether you're a teacher, an administrator, or even a student, try building a small app to solve a daily challenge. Maybe a homework submission tracker or a simple attendance system for your class. Start small, but start.
For business professionals, the same applies. Take one workflow that currently eats up hours, like manual approvals, expense tracking, or leave requests, and see if you can automate it with Creator. You'll be surprised how quickly you'll see value.
Now, beyond just experimenting, we'd also love to hear from you. Share your low-code journey with us. What challenges are you solving? What apps are you building? And what lessons are you learning along the way?
That's right. You can connect with us on LinkedIn, drop your thoughts in the episode comments, or even send us voice notes. We'd love to feature your stories in upcoming episodes.
Another great way to engage is to join the Zoho Creator community. There are forums, user groups, and webinars where creators, just like you, share their ideas and apps. It's an amazing way to get inspired and accelerate your learning.
And here's something exciting. On our next podcast episode, we're planning to dive into the world of AI plus low code. We'll show you how AI isn't just for tech giants, it's accessible, it's practical, and it's already changing the way small organizations work. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that.
So, to wrap up, segment 6, take action, share your journey, and stay connected with the community. Low code is more than just a tool, it's a movement. And every app you build, no matter how small, adds to that movement.
Well said. Thank you all once again for being part of this episode. Keep building, keep innovating, and remember, sometimes the best way to predict the future is to create it.
Now that we've explored the present use cases, let's take a moment to imagine the future. Where is education management headed? And how will platforms like Zoho Creator evolve to meet those needs?
That's a great thought. We're already seeing trends like hybrid learning, AI powered grading, blockchain based credentialing, and even virtual campuses in the metaverse. Educational institutions are not just physical entities anymore, they're becoming digital first ecosystems.
Exactly, and this is where low code platforms will play a huge role. Think about it. As new technologies emerge, institutions can't afford to wait 2 years for an ERP vendor to roll out an update. They need agility. They need the ability to adapt quickly, test new workflows, and integrate new tools instantly.
With Zoho Creator, that agility is built in. Let's take an example. Suppose 2 years from now, augmented reality AR becomes a core part of how students learn science experiments remotely. Instead of waiting for an off-the-shelf ERP to add AR integration, a school IT admin could use Zoho Creator to integrate AR tools directly into their existing student portal.
Or think about data-driven decision making. As AI models get smarter, institutions can use predictive analytics to identify at-risk students early, recommend personalized learning paths, and even optimize resource allocation, like teacher workloads or transport routes. Low code gives them the platform to quickly build this predictive dashboard.
And let's not forget the compliance and policy angle. Governments worldwide are tightening data privacy and security regulations. With Zoho Creator's scalable infrastructure and built-in compliance frameworks, institutions can stay future-ready while ensuring student data is safe and secure.
So, in a way, Zoho Creator isn't just solving today's problems, it's future proofing education management. It empowers schools, colleges, and training centers to stay ahead of the curve without being locked into rigid, outdated systems.
And the beauty is, the same principles apply beyond education too. Whether it's healthcare, logistics, retail, or manufacturing, low code is becoming the backbone of digital transformation across industries.
Which means if you're listening today as an educator or an IT professional, embracing low code now isn't just about fixing current inefficiencies. It's about preparing for a future where adaptability is the ultimate competitive advantage.
Well said. That's why we believe the future of education management and digital transformation as a whole isn't about buying the perfect ERP. It's about building your own, evolving it continuously, and letting your system grow with your needs.
We've covered a lot today: challenges, solutions, real world examples, future possibilities. But let's pause for a moment and tie everything together. Because transformation doesn't happen by hearing ideas, it happens when you act on them.
Exactly. If there's one big takeaway from today's conversation, it's this. Education institutions don't need to settle for disconnected, inefficient systems anymore. The era of rigid, expensive, off the shelf ERP software is fading.
And that's the power of Zoho Creator. It democratizes technology. It puts the ability to innovate into the hands of educators, administrators, and even students, people who know the problems best. You don't need to be a developer, you just need the vision to solve. Think about it. With Creator, a school principal can automate fee reminders. A college IT admin can design a digital internship tracker. A training center coordinator can create a student performance dashboard. Each app may seem small on its own, but together they build a connected ecosystem that transforms how education runs.
Let's also highlight 3 actionable steps listeners can take from today's episode. Start small. Build one app that solves a single pain point, like attendance or homework tracking. Think integration. Connect that app to your existing systems like Google Workspace, payment gateways, or Zoho Books. Scale gradually. As confidence grows, expand into a full ERP, covering admissions, learning, finance, and beyond.
And remember, digital transformation is not a one time project, it's a journey. With low code platforms like Zoho Creator, that journey becomes faster, smoother, and way more affordable.
So, to conclude this episode, education management is being reimagined, and the future belongs to those who are willing to embrace change, experiment, and build systems that truly serve their people.
Thank you for staying with us through this extended discussion. If this episode resonated with you, share it with an educator, an administrator, or even a parent who believes technology can make learning better.
Don't forget to check the show notes for resources, demo links, and community forums. And if you enjoyed today's episode, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our next one, where we'll be exploring how AI and low code together are reshaping industries beyond education.
Until then, keep learning, keep building, and most importantly, keep simplifying technology to serve people. That's the essence of true digital transformation.
Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.